let's go ahead and get into the very basics of HTML. Now, to start out with, I'm just going to go ahead and explain what HTML is. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the code that is used to structure a web page and its content. For example, content could be a list of bullet points, images, data tables, so on and so on. So basically what it's saying is HTML is the basis of coding the text, images, anything on a website that you want. So HTML consists of a series of elements which you use to enclose or wrap different parts of content to make it appear a certain way or act a certain way. So for example, maybe changing the color of text, the size, the font, that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and explain to you what tags are. I'm going to pull an image up on the screen now. As you can see, this is an example I found online where it says my cat is very grumpy, and as you can see, there's a greater than less than sign, but in the middle of it, there's the letter P. Now that right there, the open, close, or the greater than less than sign with the P in the middle, that is a tag. Tags tags are used for creating an element on a website. So basically it puts something on the website that you want it to find something, i.e. stuff to that. So yeah, here you can see P, my cat is very grumpy, and then the /P. Now you're probably wondering what the slash is for. The slash closes off the statement. I'm going to go ahead and pull up an image on a better way to explain what I just said. As you can see, there is the opening tag on the very left, which is the greater than P, then less than P, and then the greater than sign. And then the content in the middle, which says my cat is very grumpy. And the closing tag, the less than, /P, and then the greater than. And then all of that there creates one element of your website. So basically, the parts of an element are an opening tag, a closing tag, and content of that tag. Now there are a lot more in-depth tags that you can do with specific functions, classes, all that kind of stuff, but we're going over the basics today, and we'll go over that in another video. Now that you know sort of what HTML is, so you're going to want to go ahead and right click on your desktop, hover over New, and click Text Document. Rename it to whatever you want. I'm just going to rename it Tutorial to Tutorial. Alright, go ahead and open it up. Now, as you can see from the image that I showed you earlier, we're just going to go ahead and do that one example. So we're going to go ahead and type P, okay, now we're going to want to go ahead and make sure we put that slash there before the P, because that is saying that that is the end of the statement. So now that we've done this, we can go ahead and press File, Save As, and now in the name, you're going to want to make sure you put .html. Without that .html, it will not open as a website. It will only open as a text document. So go ahead and click Save. Now it should show up on your desktop right here. So let's go ahead and open it. As you can see, we have text that says my cat is grumpy. Now if we go back over here and we can change it to just hello. As you can see, if we just press save, and we press refresh, you can see that that now says hello, please subscribe. Please do. Anyways, that's basically the very basics of making a website. So in this video you learned how to put text on your very own website, and in the next one we'll go more in depth with customizing its position, color, all that kind of stuff. Until then, see ya.